Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm here today to get treatment. I have more prevalent symptoms right now, but Dr. Bruce wanted me to talk about when everything kind of kicked off, which would have been back in 2012. I had a tattoo on my foot. It was about the size of a toonie, and there was medical negligence with the I was getting it removed, and the person burnt my skin off. So I needed emergency treatment at the burn unit and surgery, where they cut the necrotic skin off, stretched the skin, and had a pretty big scar on my left foot in the shape of a wave. I ended up walking on the left side of my foot for about a year to a year and a half because the scar didn't heal properly, and I wound up with keloid scars. That was the start of my back pain that I've had for about 12 years. I did not have any back pain before that. I did have breast reduction before that, what happened with my foot, but I had no health issues after having that surgery. I would say I've had some treatments done on the scar on my foot, but nothing's really changed in terms of the back pain. I've done pain point injections on my back. That did give me a little bit of relief, but effectively, I think me walking funny for so long just threw everything out of balance. So I've tried lots, have not really gotten huge relief for my back pain. And then in 2018, health-wise, I was okay, but I had my daughter, and her birth was pretty traumatic, and I needed an emergency C-section. The C-section has never healed properly. She's now 6, and I felt better at 2 or 3 months post C-section scar than I do even to this day. I get a lot of pain in my C-section. It feels like somebody's taking a hot knife and literally cutting my stomach open. So I've been dealing with that. And then my more recent is in 2023 after I developed vaccine injury or long COVID. I'm not sure which one it is. But basically for almost 2 years, I've had crazy symptoms from long COVID and vaccine injury. Bedbound for a couple months. And I've been diagnosed with a whole bunch of things since because of that. I've been doing pain injections, so they've helped, but it depends on the day, but I would say it's a 4 or 5, so it's manageable. Mine is less. It's certainly interfering with your life. Yeah, it's less about the pain. I've been dealing with back pain for well over a decade. Okay. You're connected by a tail. I haven't. My foot feels better. Actually, the one thing I want to see is, I always said it felt like when I went to go down like this, my leg was stuck. I have a better range. All right, I'm just gonna walk. So it doesn't really hurt as much on my right side. I feel like I'm standing up taller. Oh no, it feels like I feel like I'm standing taller. That feels better. And I actually feel like I can breathe better. Like my chest is more open. I would say I feel way more relaxed after the treatment. I feel a lot calmer. Everything feels a bit off, but in a good way. Like even walking, I felt like I was standing up a bit taller, which is great. I appreciate the treatment. I feel like I could go lay down and go for a nap. And I'm excited to see how I feel over the next couple of days once it kind of settles. So thank you.